The first day on the new job, it can be a little overwhelming.
Oh, this is Landscape. You wanted the maintenance director. His extension is 4854. 4855 is his assistant, or you can try 47.
Next on our tour is financial services with fiduciary responsibility pertaining to fiscal operations.
These are the individual manners in the mutuals which consolidated into the co-op and condo sections. So we have the entities United and Third. Oh, and there's GRF. Are you getting all of this? On the surface, Village Management Services Inc., or VMS, might seem like a pretty complex place to work, but what you're actually seeing is a highly specialized service company in motion. A company built on professionalism and integrity, with the highest commitment to serving our residents to the best of our abilities. Our standards are high, but so are the rewards, as you will discover as a member of our team. We're glad you've joined us on the VMS team. To better appreciate the importance of your role at the Village, you need to know a little more about the unique community we serve. The brightest attraction of the Laguna Woods community is the people who make this their home. Over 18,000 men and women, people from many walks of life, reside in the Village. Although VMS is located within the city of Laguna Woods, its system of self-governance and its status as a private community have a greater impact on our day-to-day operations. VMS employees have had the responsibility of managing the operations of this large community since its inception in 1964. Add 7 clubhouses, an equestrian stable facility, 2 golf courses, a private bus service, a full security team, Laguna Woods' own roads, sidewalk and street lights, over 12,000 residential units, an entire fleet of service vehicles, and you start to realize the size of the responsibility we have to meet. It is VMS who employs the almost 1,000 people it takes to make the Village not just a place to live, but a quality lifestyle all its own. Whether you watch the gate or the budget, mow the greens or teach on them, repair sidewalks or give sidewalk tours, we're all members of the same team. VMS is the agent responsible for keeping everything running smoothly for the community. Ultimately, it is the community members we work for. Their wishes are communicated to us through the boards of directors of the 3 corporations that govern the Village. The individual homes, or manors, make up the mutual housing corporations, or mutuals for short. Over the years, original mutuals have consolidated into the 2 large mutuals we have today. United Laguna Woods Mutual, which is more often called United, governs 6,323 cooperative housing units, or co-ops. The Third Laguna Hills Mutual, or Third for short, consists of 6,102 condominium units. We also serve the Golden Rain Foundation, or GRF, which governs the community facilities and services the clubhouses, golf courses, stables, resident gardens, and community streets. Above all else, VMS stands for service. It's our job to provide superior customer service while enhancing the value and residents' enjoyment of the community's assets. Just about every job you do here will bring you in contact with members of the Village community. When that happens, you become VMS's representative. They will judge the company's service by the way you respond to their needs. Good customer service means demonstrating leadership, integrity, dedication, innovation, courtesy, continuity, commitment, and professionalism on the job. Teamwork is another key ingredient. It starts at the top with our general manager and flows throughout the executive committee and the rest of the company. You can see it in action at regular management meetings when executives, middle managers, and supervisors get together to search for better ways to serve the community and each other. No one's job is insignificant. It takes each of us supporting one another, doing our best so VMS can offer the best to our clients. One more important element of the VMS team is the way we look out for each other's and our clients' safety. Although we have some high-risk jobs here, the Village has one of the most superior safety records in California. Safety is everyone's responsibility, 24 hours a day. When you begin work, make sure you pay close attention to your supervisor's safety orientation. Always take time to assess the environment you will be working in and take the proper precautions to make sure the operation is done safely, whether it involves lifting correctly, handling chemicals with proper protective gear, operating machinery, or even making sure your computer workstation is adjusted ergonomically. When you work safely, you protect yourself, your family, your fellow workers, your company, and the community of people we serve. The first days on the new job can be a little overwhelming, but they can also be very exciting when you're a part of the VMS team. Ahead of you are days as different and interesting as the many varieties of personalities you will meet. You can look forward to feeling like a part of a team, working in a positive environment where people enjoy what they do and enjoy helping each other. You will be spending your working hours in the midst of a park-like setting in a community known across the country for its quality lifestyle. And you'll be building a career in a highly professional, respected service company. A company that gives you the opportunity to stretch your talents and abilities, to see the results of your work firsthand in the faces of the people you touch. At VMS, you can make a world of difference. It's a great feeling to take home with you at the end of the day and a great reason to look forward to tomorrow.